Hello guys, so tonight I'm gonna be folding my rafale. Something like that. Someone requested it, and this is what I came up with. This is similar to my F16 and F15 that I made before. So yeah, this is the French rafale, and I know that I think it's exported to other country as well, if I'm not wrong. So yeah. And guys, please check out my other video as well. If you go to my video and if you click video and scroll down, you can see a bunch of other videos, and please consider subscribing. Okay, so first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you're gonna fold it in third, so I guess 3 by 3 on grid. So bring that over and make this column same width as this column. Of course, it can be a little bit less. You just have to eyeball it so that this can reach over. Somewhere around there. Might not be exactly right. And then bring the other side over. I guess this doesn't match as well. There's a little bit of space there. That's okay. Okay, then unfold. Then you want to bring this edge to this last crease line here. Okay, and make sure it lines up with the center line as well. Fold that over corner, fold that corner over, and then you see this edge right here, so you want to lean against this edge and fold the top portion now. So bring that down. Okay, then unfold, then bring the bottom edge to the top. Okay, then you can unfold all that. Then you're gonna fold this corner together. Okay, and follow the crease line right here. This corner, fold that down, and now you're going to open this pocket right here. Then fold that down like so. So this is gonna be the cockpit, the front of the plane. And now you're gonna bring this edge. Oh no, actually you're gonna open this pocket. My bad. So open this pocket. Then you're going to fold that down. Then fold it off to the side. And same thing on this side as well. So open this pocket right here. Then you're going to fold that down. Okay. And then fold it off to the side. And now you see this edge right here. You want to fold that right onto the center line. Like so. And same thing here. Like that. And then you can unfold those two flaps. Then fold right where the end of those crease line is. Okay. So take the top layer and fold right where the the ends of the crease line and fold right there. Then you see the side crease line that we just folded, so fold down on the side crease line, and make sure this edge right here lines up with the center. Okay, and same thing here, this edge, make sure it lines up with the center, and fold the side crease line right there. Okay, and now you see this edge right here, fold that right onto the center line. Okay, so take that edge and go all the way up to this corner right here, that corner here. So take this edge and fold it onto the center and push this right in until you hit that corner right there. Okay, same thing on this side. So you see this edge right here, fold that edge onto the center crease line. Like so. And then you're gonna make the cockpit. So kind of open up this pocket right here and open up the other side as well, and expose the middle portion just a little bit. Make sure it's same on both sides, but don't make it parallel, but kind of what's that word, taper down a little bit. Then you're gonna fold down on that. So the center portion is kind of exposed like that. So you can see that triangle right here. Okay. Oops, make sure it's even on both sides. And now you're going to fold these two corners right here up to that center. Okay. Like so. And same thing here. Corner, and make sure it lines up with the side crease line right there. Okay, then you're going to fold this inside. Okay, so open this pocket right there and push in that corner. Okay, so you get this wing. So this is going to be the wing, of course. It's kind of uneven. Fold that to a point. Okay, same thing here. Unfold, then push in, push that corner inside, and make sure everything is lined up and neat. Mine isn't, but let me fix that. Okay, and now you want to flip it over to the bottom, and you want to fold the back kind of in half, and you want to bring, you see this crease line right here, so you see the square right there, so this is going to be the cockpit, and you want to fold this crease line right here to the center line. Okay, so just like this. Okay, And same thing here. So you see that crease line? Center line. Okay, and fold that together. So it should look like this. Okay, so fold down the wings right there. Then you want to open up this pocket and fold that down. Okay, then you want to fold in this side edge to the center line, okay? Like so. And same thing on the other side, of course. Okay, then you want to make a good crease. Then you want to unfold. Then you want to fold this out. So fold right where the ends of that crease line is. And then bring this edge right here and also the other side to the center line, okay? That, and same thing here. And now you see this two corners on the side. You want to fold this triangle down where those side corners are, and you want to fold this edge to the center line, okay? Like so. And fold this to the top now, the front. Okay, then fold this back triangle in. Okay, then fold this together. I'll fold this in half. And kind of drag this back until this portion right here is kind of 90 degrees. Kind of drag it and push it back a little bit until the back is straight. Okay. And now you see this edge in the front, you just want to fold them right inside onto the center line. Okay, then you want to fold the whole thing in half. Okay, and now you see this little triangles on the side. You want to fold them forward. Like that, and same thing on the other side. Okay. And then you kind of want to take the front and kind of drag it down. Okay. So the bottom portion is kind of flat, kind of parallel to the plane. Okay. So drag it down just a little bit. Not the wings, of course. Okay, now you see this triangle, just fold them down like that, and same thing here. Fold down the triangle. And for the cockpit, you just want to open this pocket right here. And that down like that, and you want to fold that triangle just a little bit of that triangle inside. Okay, that, and you see the bottom corners, you also want to fold those in. Okay, so okay, just like that. See that triangle there? Fold them just right inside. Okay, and kind of fold the tip of the wings just a little bit. And fold out the wings. Make sure it is even on both sides. Okay, and now you're going to make a little bird bases. Oh no, they're not bird bases. You're gonna, yeah, open the pocket where the crease line is and kind of fold that down. Oh, it's kind of uneven. And you want to lift up the corner forward, and you want to bring the edge onto the center line, okay? Just like that. It's a little small, might be a little tricky to do. And mine is a little uneven. Yeah, then fold that down. And you see this edge here, make sure it's parallel to the plane. Okay, same thing on this side. Might be a little small, so open the pocket right here. Fold that down and lift this up and fold the edge to the center line, okay? Just like that, and fold down on that corner. Okay. Came out a little better on this side. I was a little struggling on the other side. Okay, now I'm going to kind of round out the plane, so flatten out the back side. So you want to bring these edges right here, this bottom edge, to that center line, okay? Or this corner, this back corner to the center. So it kind of flattens out the back side. Okay, so here is my rafale, so it can round out the front as well. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.